Girls, back this way.
Behind.
At least they're behind. Next 9 is yours.
Boys, don't let yourself get cold. You need to get the ball out, juggle, pass the ball. That's it, push right up, Brady. Push your punch, though. Good boy, Andreas. Good boy, Andreas. Well done, Evan. Drive. Good pass.
You got him.
Get the kill.
Go, Nick. Beat him, Nick. Beat him. Get in the middle, Nick.
Get in the middle, Nick.
Mark.
Nick, that's yours.
Zach, make that run. Zach, make the run. Make the run, Zach. Now! Now!
Nice, Brady.
Brady, cover yourself more, dude. Don't leave yourself exposed. Ev, you gotta go with 10. Nice pass. Ev, stay with 10. Stay at number 10. Bob,
All right, Nick, get ready.
Go on, Andres, drive. Yeah, what a pass.
Go, Nick. Stay in the middle, Nick. Go, Nick.
Fantastic cross, Mark.
Go, Nick. One of you. Oh, man. Go. Shoot it. Yeah! line now. Nick, this is your space.
Marking the kill, go!
Go, Nick.
Go,
Go, Nick. Keep doing, Nick. Don't stop, Nick. Go. Get in there, Nick Gill.
You know where's Philip?
Shane! Good, Evan! Fine position.
Don't be offside, but I want you to stay high. You gotta win that, Luca.
Nick, you gotta recover.
Play! Go, 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 go. Play him, play him.
Drop, Nick Gill.
Come on. Get the angle on the ball. Come on, boys. You gotta get those. You gotta get that speed back there. This is
Head up, right, come on!
Nick Gill. Go up. Go, Nick Gill. Go, Nick Gill. Get up there. Go, Nick Gill.
Again! I usually don't talk.
That's why you go up there.
Stop, please, ref! One out, Brady! Good boy, Andreas. Well done.
Nick, whoa! Go, Nick. Get up there. Let's go, Nick Gill. Nick, head is yours.
Get wide, Nikhil.
Go, Nick. Go, Nick. Go, Nick.
Drive track. Drive track.
Up. Nick, go up. In the middle, Nick.
Give him some help, Nikhil.
There you go. Cross it. Cross it. There it is, boys.
Over here.
Pierce, on the man. On the man.
Stay up here. Halfway, please. Right now. Phoenix. Right now, halfway. Go.
Hey, Mark. Nice. Come on, Tyler, get there. Nikhil.
Number 3, Nikhil.
Nikhil, stay wide. Nikhil, stay wide. For the center.
Yes.
Wide. Nice. There you go. Nice.
Shoot!
Nice. Yes. One touch. There it is.
Boys, you're fantastic. Nice job, boys. Nice job, guys. Nice job.
Nick, this is yours.
Cover them! It's a short kick. Cover, it's a short kick. Told you. It's a short kick. I got him. Kick him short.
Nice job, Evan. Nice hustle.
In the middle, Nick.
Take it up.
Nick, stay in the back post.
Take middle, Mark. Take middle.
Evan, nice kick, Evan. Come on, boys. First to the ball. Let's go. Keep the pressure on.
It's short.
Keep the pressure. Win it. Pressure. Nice. Pressure. Nice. Nice work. Good, Pierce. Good job, Pierce. Nice look. Nice look, Evan. Evan, great look. Nice pass, man. Nice job. Dick, turn around. Good man. Dick, you're off. There you go. Take him outside. Yeah, there we